I'm Joe Hollis, and this is Mountain Gardens. In 1972, I bought about 3 acres of woodland at the base of the highest mountains in eastern North America, right out here. And since then, I've been developing a botanical garden of useful plants. And I've come to have a specialty in medicinal herbs and wild food plants / perennial vegetables. At this point, I think I grow the largest diversity of medicinal herbs in at least the eastern part of the United States. Our specialties are native medicinals, and we grow all of them. I've introduced the ones that were not here already, like false unicorn root and golden seal. We're devoting a great deal of energy to false unicorn root, growing it for seed. I think I'm the only person selling seed of that. Trying to develop that. This is the herb shop at Mountain Gardens. You can see there's a wall of single herb tinctures that we make, grow or wildcraft. Another wall of Chinese herbs. We grow about 85% of these herbs in our garden. Although what we grow, we usually tincture. This is our seed cabinet. The main things we sell are seeds and plants and information on how to grow common and rare medicinal herbs, native and oriental. Oriental is a big specialty. I teach workshops. I have about 8 apprentices. We get an herb school almost every week, visiting through the summertime, and university groups and so on, show them how to do all these things. Here we are in my greenhouse. As you can see, it's kind of caving in. That's one of the reasons we're applying for this grant, is to do some upgrading of equipment. We really need this greenhouse. This is Jagulan, Gynostemma pentaphyllum, which I believe I introduced to cultivation in America. I call it the single most useful plant to grow for your health. We also putting a big effort into growing ma huang, growing a seed crop so that more growers can grow it, because there's a very important herb which is not being imported successfully now. Other plants in here, there's turmeric, there's a hardy medicinal orchid used in Chinese medicine. There's some mandrakes back in there, Rhamania, a number of plants that might or might not be hardy outdoors. So I'm getting old, I'm 76. I need to figure out where this project is going next. I'd like to turn it into a small community. Start by doing is offering more to the apprentices. So I want to evolve from having 8 apprentices to having 8 community members. And I'll start by upgrading my housing from seasonal shacks to all winter houses. So that's part of the reason for using this grant.